Hi, welcome back to my channel Mobile Mastery Hacks. In this video, I am gonna show you an update is required to use cellular data on this iPhone. The iPhone may be iOS 14 or iOS 15. So let's get started without wasting our time. For in this video, I am gonna show you 7 methods and you have to try all of the methods of one of them, and maybe one of the method will work on your system. So for first method you have to do is simply restart your iPhone and do nothing, and after that check either your problem is fixed or not. So let's go for the second method. Just click on your settings. Click on the settings, open your settings here, scroll it down here, go to general. On general you have to find here so about, so you check it here whether you have carrier setting update or not. If you don't have update, and update it. If you update it, then let it done. So then again for the third method, it doesn't for second method, then go for the third method. For that you have to do update your iPhone. For that open your settings, then scroll down, tap on general. So here you find software update. You have to update your software here if this is not updated. So after updation, again check your problem if it is fixed or not. If it is not still fixed, then we are going for the fourth option here. So for fourth step, what we have to do is just tap on the setting here and then enable the aeroplane mode on your device. Then after 30 to 40 seconds, then turn it off again and check whether your problem has been fixed or not. So fifth for the fifth number, we have to do is just again turn off your device and then eject the SIM from your device. After 30 to 40 seconds, then reinsert your SIM and restart your device and check whether the problem is fixed or not. If this also not accept the your iPhone doesn't accept, then we are going for the 6 steps. Open your settings here and then scroll down and then tap here on general and then scroll it down and reset option. So tap it here and reset network settings here. So tap it here and put your password here. Reset network settings to confirm the process. And now you have to check whether the problem fixed or not. If this trick also not accepted by the iPhone, then we are going for the final one, that is the 7. So again on the settings, scroll down, open general and then scroll it down and tap on reset, and from here to do is just tap and reset all settings and enter your password here to confirm confirmation, and tap here on reset all settings for confirmation. So by this trick, hopefully all your problem will be solved.